Okay, one thing that you'll need to be able to do in order to complete your coursework within the Odysseyware courseware system and your online course for CNUSD is you need to be able to navigate through a lesson. So I'm going to click on my Algebra 1A class. It's going to bring me to the very first lesson, which is in Algebra 1, Unit 1, and it's called The Foundations of Algebra. I'm going to go ahead and look through the objectives. I can read those. I can look at the vocabulary. If I click on this green little sound bite, it will go ahead and have somebody repeat the word algebraic expression to me. I could click on this activity right here, which is called the spelling bee. It's going to open up the spelling bee, and if I click on the speller,
spell the word algebraic.
Needs me to spell the word algebraic expression using my keyboard. And then I can hit enter. And it says that I spelled it wrong. And it comes back and it corrects it for me. If I want to go ahead and get the definition of the word, I can click on the word get definition, a numerical value, that's the word constant, so I'm going to type in constant, hit enter, and I get a clap for a job well done. I'm done with that activity. It takes me back to my main screen. Go ahead and I can read through the rest of my lesson, and it looks like there's another activity here and some examples, and then it's got a caution sign, so I want to make sure I read through that, take some notes, and then gives a little review at the end. And in order to pass each lesson, I need to go through all the questions. The coefficient of 8 times 2n is, I'm going to answer 16. And then I'm going to go through and I'm going to match all those up, and if I put them all in, I've already done this before, so if I put them in there, I'll match it. I've got this question correct, I've got that question, but in question number 6 is incorrect. So which of the following expression does not represent 4 more than 1/3 x? So which does not represent 4 more than 1/3 x. I'm going to pick the one that says 1/4 x plus 3. And then I got the next question right, and then I missed this one. The coefficient of 6x is 6. When I get done doing all the questions, even though I have some still missing, I'm going to hit finish assignment. Here I can see that I've only scored 54%, so it's not going to let me to continue on. I have to get to at least 70, so if I click here to continue, it sends me back to this lesson, and I have to continue working on the problems until I've figured out the ones that I need to get correct. So I need to answer this one and then continue on. When I get all done, hit submit, and I'll be finished.